Today we'll be showcasing 10 plugins for your Minecraft server, so let's start with the top. Player Particles is a plugin that will allow us to have particles above our heads, around us or below us. And all of this, it is modifiable by a GUI or a menu, so it's pretty easy to use. Basically, to open the menu, just type /pp GUI and we'll start by creating a new particle around us by clicking the Manage Your Particles button here. And if you're looking for an affordable hosting that actually has good performance with no connection lag and also is easy to use, you have down below in the description the link to Redly Hosting. Then create a new particle and now select the particle effect. In this case, I'll just select the dragon breath and the particle style, that it's basically the shape that it will have. For example, we can select a sphere. And now the particle will be created. As you can see right now, it's basically a sphere around me with dragon breath particle. There are also other options such as managing particle groups, because you can create several ones. Also lot a preset group that you can import and other options that you can take a look. AX Trade is a plugin that will allow us to trade with other players using a menu, so it will be really easy to make this type of operations. And also it enables us to use the currency of the server to trade, so not only will be able to trade with items but also with the server currency or any other custom currency. Since I'm alone in the server, I can't show you the menu in-game, but as you can see, the menu basically looks like this. You also have a trade history and a blacklist system to forbid any item that you don't want to be traded in your server. There are also other options that you can take a look, and yeah, it's basically that. Let's hop onto the next plugin. Level Tools is a plugin that will add a leveling system for tools and also for weapons. As you can see, by the tools and the weapons will be at level 1, and by using them we'll be upgrading them to more levels and receiving better enchantments as we level up. Obviously the enchantments can be set up in the config file. And yeah, it's basically that. Spawner Meta is a plugin that will add a shop of spawners and also a menu that will allow us to upgrade the spawners and improve, for example, the spawn rate and also the spawn region. First of all, we'll just have to type spawner shop and we'll be able to purchase one of the spawners that we have available here. The currency that we'll be using to purchase them is experience, and well, yeah, basically I'll just buy this place, and now by just right clicking it, this menu will pop up. First of all, we have here the location information of the spawner, and then here there are the 3 properties that we can be upgrading. First of all, the range, that is basically the distance that we have to be from the spawner in order the spawner to be starting to spawn the mobs. Delay, that it's basically the time between each spawning, and we can upgrade it to lower the delay. And finally, there is the amount of entities that will be spawning each time spawner summons entities. By default is 4 entities, and if we upgrade it, it will be 5 entities, then 6 entities, 7 entities, 8 entities, and so on until we reach the maximum level. Fastcraft is a plugin that will add another type of crafting more similar to the one that was used in Minecraft PE and also in the console version of Minecraft many years ago. If you've played those versions, you already know what I'm referring to. Of course, this plugin doesn't add exactly the same system, but the idea is pretty similar. I will be placing a crafting table here, and if you right click it, here you have all the items that can be crafted by the items that you have in the inventory. Since I have 64 iron ingots and also 64 sticks, I can craft all these. Also, you can access to the traditional 3x3 crafting grid by just clicking this table here. Also, you can increase or decrease the crafting amount. Basically, it's whenever you click one of the items here, if you have increased it to 2, if I just click the bucket one time, it will craft 2 buckets. Basically that. And also you can refresh and go to the next page from here, because if you have several items here and you can craft a lot of other stuff, maybe you need to actually go to the second page, third page, fourth page. Real Mines is a plugin that will add a mine system into our Minecraft server. First of all, we'll need to have the wand of World Edit in order to select the zone where we want to set the mine. In this case, since I want to set it in the sea, I don't really need the wand, but yeah, you get what I mean. So I'll be writing //post1 and //post2 in order to select the area where I want the mine to be placed. Then we'll have to write /rm create, and now the mine name basically in the menu. Okay, the display name of the mine will be modifiable in the GUI that we'll be seeing now. Now, just click on blocks and the mine will be created, at least the area here. By default, I think it's stone in all mines. So yeah, we'll be able to modify it right now by just typing /rm, and this menu will pop up. Just go here and you'll have all the mines here. Just click here, and at this section we can modify all the properties of the mine. First of all, the icon in the menu, also the blocks that will be here inside the mine, teleport to the mine, reset the mine, clear the mine, edit the display name as I've already said, click here to see the boundaries of the mine, change the color, and so on. Also, you can set the settings of the plugin from here, such as place farmland below crop or broadcast reset message only in world. Okay, there are basically 2 settings that you can change. Simple Balloons is a plugin that it's pretty simple and adds balloons. It's basically that you have a menu where you have a GUI from where you'll be able to pick a balloon and carry it around. To open the menu, just type /balloon and select the color of the balloon that you want or the material. For example, I can have a honey block balloon, as you can see right now, and I can carry it around in the lobby. I think it's a static plugin that looks cool. I don't know, if you like it, just add it. And to remove the balloon, just go here to the remove balloon button. Auto Totem is a plugin that will enable us to use the totem of undying even if we don't have it on the hands, if we have it just in the inventory. I'll show right now that it actually works. I will be flying pretty high, and then let me drop to the ground. As you can see right now, yeah, it basically worked. I'm still alive with the totem here. Rechant is a plugin that will enable us to retrieve the enchantments that we have in an item and place them into a bow. I have some boots with fire protection 1 on them, and also I have the books and an anvil. So yeah, just place the anvil, put the netherite boots here or the item that you have enchanted, a book here, and the enchanted book will be given to you with the enchantment. And yeah, it's basically that. I'm now in creative mode, so that's why I still have the netherite boots here, but in survival mode it really works. I've already tested, so yeah. Redstone Blocker is a really simple plugin that will allow you to enable the redstone or disable it in your server. To disable the redstone, just type /r disable and the redstone will be disabled, and now to enable it back, just type again /r disable and the redstone will be completely disabled in your server. And if you're looking for more plugins, you have another top right now at the center of the screen, so see you there!